In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tag Manager on Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to track user activity, manage marketing tags more efficiently, or prepare your website for tools like Google Analytics and ad platforms, connecting Google Tag Manager is a very useful step. The good news is that Hostinger Website Builder makes this process quite simple, and in this tutorial I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website you want to work on. This is important if you manage more than one site, because you want to make sure you're editing the correct project before adding any integrations. Next, click on Website. This will take you to the area where your website is managed. From there, choose the option to edit your website by clicking Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder editor, where you can control your site's design, settings, and connected tools. After the editor loads, look for the More section. This area usually contains additional settings and features that are not displayed directly on the main editing panel. Click More to expand the available options. Inside that section, find Integrations and click it. This is where Hostinger allows you to connect external services and tracking tools to your website. Once you're in Integrations, select Google Tag Manager. This will open the field where you can add your container information. Now, enter your Google Tag Manager container ID. Be careful to paste the correct ID exactly as it appears in your Google Tag Manager account. In most cases, this ID starts with GTM, so double-check that there are no extra spaces or typing mistakes. Even a small error here can prevent the Tag Manager from connecting properly. Once the container ID has been entered, make sure your changes are saved if Hostinger prompts you to do so. That way, the integration is applied to your website correctly. And that's it. You've now connected Google Tag Manager to your Hostinger Website Builder website. If you're setting this up for tracking, it's always a good idea to verify that the container is working properly after installation by checking your Google Tag Manager account or using your preferred testing method. This helps confirm that your tags can start firing as expected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.